This is my Thinkpad X1 Carbon and it has a problem. The battery is absolutely fried. So let's replace it. The battery should be in here, so let's check it out.
Oh my god!
Now let's put this into that. First I need to unscrew all these screws to open the lid. And via me, maybe I can upgrade the storage one time because I have a spare one left. But anyways, that's for another video. Let's get back to the battery. To replace the battery, I first need to remove this screw over here. Then pull the cable out. Then pull the old battery out. Then put the new battery in. Connect the cable. Then lock the battery in place. Close it. Then screw all those screws in again. Plug the charger in. Start it. And the new battery is working.